In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix the export not working issue in Napkin AI. Let's get started. To troubleshoot this, I'll start by doing a quick search for the common fixes, which usually involve checking browser settings or clearing the cache. First, I'll try a simple page refresh to see if it's just a temporary connection glitch. If this method doesn't work, proceed to the next method. I'll click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and go into my settings. From the menu on the left, I select Privacy and Security, then click on Third-Party Cookies. I need to find the specific site data, so I click on See All Site Data and Permissions and search for Napkin in the filter bar. Once I find napkin.ai, I click the delete icon and confirm the deletion to clear all stored data and permissions for the site. Now I'll head back to the original tab and hit reload. Since I cleared the site data, I'll need to sign back in, so I click Sign In with Google and select my account. Once the dashboard loads and I open my project again, I'll try the export process one more time. I select the infographic, click the Export Visual button, and choose the PNG format. I hit the download button, and as you can see, the file is now downloading without any issues. I'll open the image just to be sure, and it looks great, and there you have it. That's the complete process of fixing Napkin AI export not working.